In this video, I want to show you how you can restore Windows backup files to a new computer or to another computer. This may happen, for instance, if you install Windows from scratch to repair a Windows error, or if you purchase a new computer and you want simply to transfer your files from the backup that you have done using Windows Backup. To do this, you need first, of course, to insert the backup media in your computer. Here I already inserted a backup media that I've done on another computer, and this is the new computer. So in the search box, type Control Panel and open Control Panel. If you have View by category, click on it to change it to large icons, and then click on File History. And this is basically when you have a new computer or if you reinstall Windows from scratch. File history will be turned off like this. What you need to do here to restore the files that are on the backup media is to click on Select Drive on the left here. And then Windows will automatically detect the external drives or USB keys that are connected to your computer. So here it detected the USB key that has the backup from the other computer. So I'm gonna select it. And simply here, when you select it, it will recognize directly what backups there are on this USB key or this external drive. If you have multiple backups, select the one you want to restore. But here I have only one backup, so it is selected by default. You see also here that you have Add Network Location. This is in case your backup was on a network location, but this is not the case for us. So click on OK here. And this will take you back to file history, and you see now that file history is turned on automatically. But what we need to do now is click on Restore Personal Files. And now you see that we have all the files that were backed up on the other computer. So I had some example files. If you want to restore all of them, you can restore all of them simply by selecting everything and clicking on Restore. But here I want to show you if you want to select one by one. Let's see here that in my documents, I have like a document that I put. And on desktop, I'm going to show you first that my desktop is empty here. But in the backup of the desktop that I took, there is a file. So let me say that I'm going to restore desktop and documents. So select both folders and then click on the Restore button. And you see that the restore succeeded. Let me close now file history. You see that on my desktop the file was restored. And let me see in documents also the file was restored. And that was all. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.